Hi, I'm James. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install an Aqualisa Q Concealed controller. When installing a concealed smart shower system, the pipework and data cables should be installed prior to tiling. Concealed cables must be protected by a suitably sized conduit to allow for removal in the event of service or maintenance. Think about the location of the Q controller. Choose a suitable height so all the family can easily see and use the controller. The Q controller is activated by a proximity sensor on the front of the controller. The sensor detects motion from 0.5 to 0.7 meters directly in front of the device. It is important that the device is positioned so that it will detect the user approaching and moving away from the shower. Insert the data cable wires following the colour sequence marked on the wall plate. Ensure the surface area is clear of debris. Press the wall plate into the hole using the built-in spirit level. Mark the 3 fixing slot positions onto the finished surface. Drill holes and fit supplied plugs. We recommend using a 6mm drill bit. Remove the paper liner on the gasket. Apply a silicone adhesive into the channel on the wall plate and push onto the wall. Fix the back plate to the wall with supplied screws. Your Q Smart controller is supplied with a colour accent ring that can be fitted by lining up the grooves and pushing into position. Position the Q controller into the wall plate with the power symbol at the 7 o'clock position. Gently apply pressure to the screen with one hand. Rotate the controller anti-clockwise using the Q lever until it stops and is securely seated on the wall plate. Tighten the screw located at the bottom of the Q Smart controller.